Hey, if you want to wake the voice assistant with your Huawei FreeBuds 5i, you can do this by going to the Huawei AI Live application, open the gestures, and then you've got the double tap gesture, and you've got the left and the right earbud. So let's change it, for example, for the left one. And here you have to switch to wake the voice assistant. You can do the same for the right one. And take a look. When I'm gonna double tap right here, I'm gonna wake the voice assistant. Okay, one more time. Looks like it's not working right now, but let's try to go back. Okay, let's see if it works right now. As you can see right now, this feature is working for the right, and let's see if it works for the left one. Yeah, as you can see, it's also working for the left one. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.